Alright guys, how you doing? In this video I'm going to be repairing my TRX-4. This is all the damage from that skate park. It's not too bad, but all the spares have just turned up, so we're going to be sorting that out. Also, my buddy's just bought himself a TRX-4, so that's an extra 4x4 we got for the group. So we'll be opening that and having a quick peek at that. So, considering the abuse that this thing took, the damage really isn't that bad at all. It's just this little axle bracket that broke. And I've got the spare turn up this morning. That's one of these things here. And the other thing that broke was the steering linkage here, which is this. We've done the servo gears in, so I've got those in stock. I think that is actually all that went wrong with this. Alright guys, so all that abuse and the only damage what we had on the whole thing was front bumper mount, steering arm, servo gears and the shock shaft. So considering that abuse it's had guys, that was, I'd say that's a 10 out of 10 Traxxas. Can't fault the durability of these things, you really can't. Mine's alive again. I've got no front bumper, so that's helping it climb. Oh, pie-sided it. Oh, come on, hold on. Hi, Wayne. Hey, we're off. I'm actually surprised you got up the first bit because it's got the bumper on, hasn't it?
Oh. Oh dear, this is going to be adjusted.
Sinking.
Oh, no, I'm getting back out of that one. Oh, no, I ain't getting out of that one.
Uh-oh. And he makes it across! Check it out! Do you reckon?
Yeah.
Oh my god!
That just missed my face, man. How did you get a black eye?
RC car! Ah, baby to it! It's a bit of encouragement.
Yeah.
Ah! Hey! Ah, can you get over that bit? Over the toner. Here we go. We're over.